I'm just going to show you one or two tricks to maximize the space available for working in Lightroom. If you ever use Lightroom on a laptop, you'll find that very quickly the screen becomes very cluttered with items that are just getting in the way. I just want to run through a few ways in which you can gain a bit more screen real estate and make your use of Lightroom a lot easier. First of all, let's look on here. You can see we've got the bar at the top of the screen here with the menu and the toolbar at the bottom. We can get rid of that very simply by pressing Shift F, and that toggles through different screen modes. Hit it twice and you get to full screen mode, and we haven't got the menu bar at the top, we haven't got the taskbar at the bottom. If we want to get to the menu at the top, move the cursor right to the top of the screen, the menu appears, and then you can just select off the menu just by moving the cursor along there. That's number one. Next, this line here across the top showing the different modules is taking up a lot of space. Click on the little up arrow to lose that. That's already given us a lot more space on the main screen. To get that back, hover over the little down arrow and it appears. Similarly, you may not need the image bar here at the bottom all the time. Click on the little down arrow, that loses that from the screen. I find when I'm working in the develop module that most of the time I'm not referring to the left hand panel. It's handy when I want to get to presets and history or snapshots, but most of the actual development work I'm working on the right hand column. So I lose that one as well, which now gives me practically full screen the image that I'm working on. The final little tip with this is to do with the other bar. Do you ever find that you're scrolling a long way down between the different sections on this? Well, why not put the bar into solo mode? Right click on any of the sections at the top and click solo mode. What solo mode does is it means that only one of these sections will ever be open at any one time. So if I go to basic, it closes all the others. Go to details, basic has been closed. That means the amount of scrolling I have to do within this area is very much reduced, and it's easier to fit the section that I'm working with on the screen at any one time. So I hope you found those quick tips on maximizing your screen space for Lightroom helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please share, subscribe to this video stream, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.